Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to pause savings for a specific goal in digits. If you need to temporarily stop savings for one of your goals, maybe due to a tight budget or changing priorities, digit allows you to pause savings for individual goals without affecting others. Let me show you how it's done. So first, open the digit app. So launch digit on your phone, or you can access it via the web browser. But once you're in, navigate to your savings goals. From the home screen, scroll down to view your active saving goals. Now there, select the goal that you want to pause. Just tap on the specific saving goal that you wish to pause, whatever goal it is, and then you're going to tap the settings icon, or it has a manage goal tab. So within the goal details, you want to look for an option like manage goal, or you could just look for a gear or settings icon in the corner. Once you find that, choose pause savings. So just tap on pause savings to stop automatic contributions to that specific goal. Confirm the pause, of course, because digit may ask for confirmation, so approve to finalize the pause. Now you can return to the same goal later and tap resume savings whenever you're ready to start saving for it once again. This feature gives you more control over your finances by letting you shift your savings priorities without losing the progress that you've already made on paused goals. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.